This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your Google account is active and the Slides app is installed. This saves time. Once done, open Slides on your iPad and tap the presentation you need. If the app isn't available, you can open Slides. Google.com in Safari or Chrome, sign in and load the file. Make sure the presentation fully downloads before editing so changes sync reliably. This initial step prevents offline conflicts and gives you immediate access to editing tools and thumbnails. You'll now perform the core edits. Tap a text box to edit text directly or long press to select multiple objects for grouping. This is faster for layout tweaks. Use the plus icon to insert images, shapes, or speaker notes. Tap the image to resize with pinch gestures and drag to place it precisely. Once done, open the Slide Navigator to reorder slides or apply a theme. Make sure to use the format options for font, alignment, and spacing so your slides remain consistent and readable. Finish by previewing your work in present mode to confirm transitions and animation timing. This prevents surprises during delivery. Once satisfied, tap back or close the file. Google Slides autosaves, but make sure you see the All Changes saved in Drive message. If syncing issues appear, toggle Wi-Fi, force close the app, and reopen the file so it resyncs. This often resolves conflicts. Finally, share or export the presentation as PDF or PPTX if recipients need a static or offline copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.